Hi, so here's our video demo for our project, HoneyDockers. It's a framework for managing honeypots. A honeypot is a cybersecurity toolset that's set up as a decoy to learn cyber attacks. So we hope to use these tools to record the result from the cyber attack and kind of analyze and learn from them. As you see here, our application is set up on an initial server. This is the login page. So we have to log in as an administrator in order to start and stop our honeypot dockers. We have set up an admin account already, so we're just going to go ahead and log in. So username is admin and password will also be admin. As you can see this page, this is the admin page that you will see. If you are logged in as a non-administrator, you will not see this container page. Instead, you will only be able to see log, statistic, and graph. So in this container page, we have 3 different types of honeypots that record cyber attacks. We have a secure shell login attempt that listens, and one that listens on a Samba server login attempts, and one that listens on a web traffic. Each of these honeypots are hosted on a Docker container due to their space and resources efficiency on the system. So we're going to go ahead and simulate an attack. So first we're going to initialize our honeypots. So we click this and we click Start Container. So right now, both the SSH and the Samba are listening in for any attacks on our system. If we go over to logs, we can see that right now that there is no attack on these honeypots so far. So we're going to start an attack. I'm going to go to my terminal, and then I'm going to start the attack. I'm going to try a couple of different passwords. So then I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page. So by refreshing the page, then the logs will be able to show up. As you can see here, in the SSH honeypot, there is an attacker IP address. The username is all going to be root, but there's different password that were attempted. Then we're going to go to the statistic page. When you're on the statistic page, you can see that there are different statistics being shown. So here you can get information about CPU usage, memory usage, and memory available for this honeypot. So only containers that are turned on will show this information. So we never really start our web container. So if I click on web, you can see that the status is off. And so none of these statistic information are being shown. Then we're going to navigate to our graph page, which has these chart. So in here, you can see that, the IP address and the number of times these IP address were used, as well as the username, the number of time it's been used, and the password, what type of password was in use, and the number of time. So the reason there's only one IP address is because we can have multiple IP address. However, this can only be possible if it's hosted on a server, so then different IP addresses can attack it. And so this concludes our demo for our project HoneyDocker. Thank you for listening and watching.